Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing our AirDog filters on our 06 F250 6-liter Power Stroke. I have actually never done this. It is not loose enough for me to unscrew it by hand, not strong enough to. So I have a wrench, so we're going to try that. You can use the rubber ones as well. Devin might have had the strength to do this, but I don't. And you're going to need something to catch the diesel. We have cats, so I've got plenty of these litter boxes laying around, these litter containers laying around. But yeah, let's see if we can get this off. Alright, so they were just a little bit further than what I could do. So let's go ahead and get the first one off. There is going to be some diesel leakage, so I highly recommend gloves. Yeah. I'm just going to stick this guy in here once I get it out. There we go. There's one filter. Woo. I'm going to have to go wash my hand off because I did just get a little bit of that on my arm. I don't want that to sit there. Just give me 1 second and I'll be back while this drains. Alright, so here comes the fun part. I've got the new filters on here. This one's tight. This one's just barely hand tight. I've got to prime the system. It says once you hear the pump change the pitch, that it should be good. So we're going to try that. Luckily, the guy that installed us, this is literally right under the driver's door, so it should be pretty easy to jump back down here. So I'm going to try to do this by myself, and we'll see how it goes. And I'm going to probably have to jump and use this to tighten it down since I had to use that to untighten it. I'm having leakage. Hold on. Let's change pitch. Well, I'm hoping we got all the air out of the system. We're about to figure out. So let's actually have to take my glove off to over here struggle bus. So theoretically, they should be out of the system. Let's see. If not, we will do it again. Seems to be happy about that, so I'm not going to complain. I will show you. Give me 1 second. There was still a little bit of cat litter in here, but you can see there was some contaminants in here, some goop. So we used probably about half a gallon of diesel to change this out. But yeah, I'm not sure what this other goop is that's in here, but yeah, these have been on the truck for about 30,000 miles, so they definitely were overdue. If you're looking for these filters, this is, well, I think they changed the part number. Nope, that one's the same. And I believe that one's the same too. I got them from Rudy's Performance Parts. They have them online right now. I think they're on sale for $75, I want to say. But anyways, you guys, I hope you all have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Y'all hustle harder.